Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry potatoes and broccoli with peppercorns. Hope you like it. This is another recommended home-cooked dish that my family and I love. You can try it and see if you like it. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: broccoli, potatoes, dried chilies, peppercorns, chopped garlic. Wash and cut dried chilies into sections. Wash and cut broccoli into florets. Peel and slice potatoes. Air fryer or all fried potato slices at your own preference. I roasted potato slices at 100 degrees for 20 minutes and flip sides in between. Just like this, it doesn't need to be fully baked because we'll need to fry it later. Let's stir fry condiments until release flavor. Add broccoli once the flavor has been released. Add water and stir-fry to soften broccoli. Add potato slices. Seasoning sauce: 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon sugar. Stir fry for another minute. Add water if too dry. Add soy sauce to taste if necessary. Time to plate dish. You can place the broccoli around the potato like I did, and put a few dried chilies on the potato to make it look nice. You can use it to serve guests or eat it yourself. It will make you feel good just looking at it. This dish is very appetizing and goes well with rice. It has the aroma of pepper and dried chili oil, but I personally think it is a little spicy. The baked potato chips absorb the flavor very well, and they are soft, tasty, and delicious. Remember to give it a try. It's also suitable for stir-frying shredded cabbage or other vegetables or even noodles according to the method in this video. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Potatoes contain a lot of starch, protein, B vitamins, vitamin C, etc., which can promote the digestive function of the spleen and stomach. Potatoes can also lower blood sugar and blood lipids, promote the digestive system, maintain the elasticity of blood vessels, and help prevent the occurrence of atherosclerosis. Potatoes are also an alkaline vegetable, which is beneficial to the acid-base balance in the body and neutralizes the acidic substances produced after metabolism in the body, thus having a certain beauty and anti-aging effect. People who often eat potatoes are healthy and age slowly. People with skin spots, itchy skin diseases, congestion, diabetes, etc. are not suitable to eat potatoes because eating potatoes will further aggravate the symptoms. Potatoes contain a lot of starch, which will be broken down into glucose in the human body. For diabetic patients, this is a harm. Patients with high blood sugar. Potatoes are a big contributor to blood sugar, comparable to rice and steamed buns, so you really can't eat too much. It's best not to eat them. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.